tonight as well. So maraming salamat once again. And speaking of Kilek, it's my pleasure to be joined by this very special person on the show tonight.
It's like a hurricane, no, I won't lie. The right words I can't find. All I want is some peace of mind. But in this trouble, I realized that I'm only looking on their eyes, concentrating only on what they see. When in all this you're looking at me. And now I know everything I do is for your eyes only. Everywhere I go is for your eyes only. Everything I am is for your eyes only. No matter how they see me, you see beyond what they see in me. No matter what I'll be, it's for your eyes only. I can't imagine what my life would be without you. It will be chaotic, so messy. Every little thing will start to feel heavy. But you're always here, and I know you will never leave me. Ready to give my all for you. No matter what happens, I'll make it through.
Let's give it up for Donnie Pangilinan! Woo! You know what? Thank you for being here tonight. It really means so much na nandito ka.
Ano ka ba? Para sa'yo. Kahit
Wow!
ano gagawin ko.
You know what? Yeah, diba? It's your first time playing the keyboard. Grabe, thank you talaga.
Oo naman. Actually, I've never played the keyboard in an event like live ever. So, the fact na For Your Eyes Only, tas theme song pa ng first ever movie natin. Siyempre, it's such an honor to be here sa concert ni Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat.
Bakit mo naman naisipin na mag-keyboard tonight?
Para iba naman. Diba? Kasi concert mo to, dapat iba yung papakita natin.
For Your Eyes Only is also part of the Daylight album, which is the theme song of our movie Love is Colorblind last year. And we'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who watched the film.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa walang sawang nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa amin and even our projects together. As our way of giving back some love, nagpa-hashtag #AskDonBel tayo on Twitter na sasagutin namin dalawa ni Bel ngayon today dito sa Daylight Concert. Pero before everything, I just want to say, sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Alam mo yan. Grabe, every time like I watch your numbers here, parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na ikaw to, na ikaw yung gumagawa ng sarili mong concert. Kasi alam ko kung how long you've dreamed to have this opportunity. And just to see you, you know, fulfill your dreams right here in front of your mom, the people who mean a lot to you, Ate Kea, Kuya Mix, everyone who's here, Sir Roxy. It's just so cool.
Okay, to add to that, I'm glad that I get to spend this journey with you. And everyone who's here, maraming salamat for being here tonight. Okay.
Oh, wag ka na umiyak.
Wag,
Next
hindi
na.
ako iyak.
Oo, next
Dito
na
lang
tayo.
siya. Okay, first question. If you were to dedicate one of your most favorite songs to each other, what would that be? Okay, ako muna. Obviously, the song we sang earlier.
Ang daya.
Bakit?
Eh, yun din yung sagot ko eh.
Bakit?
O, pwede bang tayo? Yun na lang yung sagot
Pwede
namin.
naman
For
pareho,
Your Eyes
yeah.
Only. But to be honest, the reason why I also like that song is because it's a worship song. It can work as one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
And I feel like, well, I know God is a big reason why we're here today. Why you're here today.
I totally agree.
Up next, ask Don Bell, what life lesson did you learn growing up or that you want to share with each other and why?
Maybe all throughout my journey, what I really learned is to never give up on, your dreams. Being in this journey has been tough, rough, lahat na, all the pain, all the joy. And yet, going back to when I was a kid, I was just dreaming of this and now I'm here. I don't want to cry. Ayun.
And I think that's something I've learned from you too. It's just to keep moving forward, keep learning, keep growing, focus on the positivity, keep believing in yourself, no matter what anyone may say. Because you're still here. You're doing so well in your first major concert. Anyway, that was for you. I don't know why I'm answering for you. Pero ako naman, syempre, ayun din. It's just to keep going. Keep learning, keep growing, keep experiencing things that you've never experienced before and learning from other people as well.
Itong third question natin. Okay, ito naman. Ano ba to? What's your dream date?
What's your dream date?
Yeah.
Ako, dream date ko simple lang eh. Parang magandang view.
Yeah.
Na simple lang. Just dinner or lunch. With the buildings, you could see them. Or like a good sunset. A good beach view. Ganun.
Yeah, that's nice. You know what? I think the place doesn't matter. It's the person you spend it with. Yeah. Okay.
Fourth question. Ask Don Bell, if you were to give a message to your younger self, what would it be and why? I would tell younger Bell, get ready. Kasi grabe yung mangyayari sa buhay mo. You won't be ready for it. It will
Yeah.
just come.
Inunahan mo naman ako sa sasabihin
Gusto ko sabihin, gusto ko usapin si younger Bell eh. Cool kasi yun eh.
Well, yeah, if I were to tell something to my younger self, you're gonna be okay. That's it.
Sasabihin ko lang, Dons, sige lang. Go lang. Kaya mo yan.
Okay. And last but not the least, ask Don Bell from Indonesia. I want to ask Donnie and Bell, in every relationship, there's always that up and down feeling. How do you handle that? I feel like for me, communication talaga. You know, it's normal naman talaga for any relationship to have those moments, those up and down moments. I feel like you just have to have that understanding.
And life is a roller coaster. It's never just gonna be good. There's always gonna be some bad times, and that's fine. The most important thing is you keep going and enjoy the ride. And that's it. Maraming salamat guys for all your questions. Sana nasagot namin lahat ng tama. Kung may tama mang sagot o wala. Meron ba? Maybe we'll have another round soon, pero gusto ko lang sabihin, maraming salamat for having me. Think it's such an honor.
The pleasure is mine, Nato. Thank you so much once again.
Again, I'm so proud of you.
Aww. Our journey so far is filled